Hey, are you tired? No. Okay then, you want to go for a walk? No. You want to stay home? No. Then what the hell are you going to do? No. Hey guys, what's up? There are many ways to say no, disagree, or refuse an offer. Let's see a few of them. Number 1, nah. This one is an alternative for no and it is used in informal situations. Hey James, are you Chinese? What? Hell nah! Number 2, nope. Another way to say no. This one is also used in informal situations.
Much later.
Not full yet, huh? Nope. Number 3, no way. You can use this one to emphasize that you will not agree or be able to do something. James, can I borrow your car? I need to be somewhere. No way! Don't ever ask this stupid question. Can I borrow your car? Stupid. Number 4, I'm afraid not. You can use this one as a polite way of making a negative statement, and it's for formal situations. Okay, do you know any other ways to say no? Comment section. Later.